You'll remember that most of my peas died because I put them out too soon, so I've started to grow more new ones, and they are coming through. Priscilla is looking more glorious than ever. She's grown probably about 3 more new leaves since I last shown her, and her little sister's kind of still surviving, so I'm thinking I would just call the little sister Pumpkin. The coriander is definitely in flower. I've been trying to kind of pollinate it by just sort of tapping it out with a paintbrush on this one, and the other one I have in flower outside. My salad leaves have grown back yet again, and they're probably ready for another trim. The tomatoes I planted from seeds are now in their own little tray, along with one gherkin that survived. I don't think this one has. This is the mystery tomato. I'm pretty sure it's a tomato now, but who knows. My tomatoes are starting to flower, so I think that they should start fruiting before too long. When checking on the butternut squash, I noticed yet another intruder, so let's just take him away. And we have strawberries as well. The flowers have started to fall off, and on this one up here, if I can get to it, you can see it's definitely starting to get strawberry shaped.